Hey folks, Jason with Starkey here, and today I'd like to introduce you to our 4580 bed lighting kit for the 2015 to 2020 F-150. Before I talk about the product itself, I'd like to describe how it actually functions. You can control these bed lights one of two ways. The first way is by pressing the cargo light button on your headlight switch. That's going to activate the bed lights for up to 10 minutes. The second way is by pressing unlock with your key fob. The first thing you want to do is determine if your truck is pre-wired for bed lights. Every truck is going to have the connection beneath the tailgate that we plug into, but about 50% of trucks do not have the exterior illumination circuit pre-wired. If you do, the installation of all these components is going to be very simple and take less than 10 minutes. If you don't, there's a few extra steps involved and you'll need the power extension harness as well. Check out the product description for more information on determining if you have the proper wiring. This product's really going to be a slam dunk for any F-150 owner out there. The lights themselves are comparable to OEM in output and quality, but what you're really purchasing from us are well-manufactured electrical components. We are building these adapters at our facility in Central Florida, and nothing about that is imported. We're also designing this for the F-150 platform, and we back it up with the support and warranty that you deserve. Thanks for watching.